breakfast. Kiwi. My gosh. Happy Valentine's! Yay! It's our first Valentine's cake for the year. Excited na ako. Cookies and cream pa siya. Hi guys, hindi dapat ako lalabas today. At dapat may iba tayong video today. Pero, palabas tayo kasi nag-chat sa akin si JP na nasa Pampanga na naman siya. So, pupuntahan ko siya. At guys, tingnan nyo. Hawak ko pa yung socks ko. Hindi pa ako nakasocks nito. Hindi pa nakapasok yan. So, eto. Wait lang, tago natin. Nakakahiya. Hi! Bye-bye! Bye-bye na kagad. Next. Guys, it's currently 11 o'clock and medyo namumula na ako. Nakadami na ako soju. So, ayan. Nandito ako sa loob ng room kasi why should I stay here, Kian? What? Can you say here? Why should I stay here?
Guarding you.
I should guard you? Why will I guard you? Okay. Kian, I love you.
Love you.
So much.
So much.
Kian, can you date me tomorrow? It's Valentine's.
No, it's a Valentine's Day today.
Tomorrow pa.
What?
Tomorrow pa. We just celebrated it early. Can you date me?
No.
Why?
Remember.
You date me.
Why?
Because I want to have a date.
This?
Yeah. Love you. Guys, I'm gonna go to bed na. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if so much happened for today. Malalaman ko pa lang to pag in-edit ko na yung video. Pero the video is gonna be late because may nangyari sa CONVERGE sa area namin. So, walang internet sa area namin. We tried to complain but kahit saang barangay daw ganito. So, ayun. I don't know when I would be able to upload. It still depends on CONVERGE. But, there. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so tired. I drank so much because we had our Valentine's dinner. So, we celebrated Valentine's a little early. But tomorrow is gonna be another day to celebrate Valentine's. So, there. I have to sleep and I have to fix my bed. Look. Pinakita ko yan sa... Nag-live ako kanina sa TikTok and sa Instagram and nakita yan ng mga tao. I have to get myself together and fix all this and fix my face and go to sleep because it's currently 1:33 a.m. already. So guys, there. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And see you in our next videos. Every day.